In this video we explain how the correct way to apply skincare for better results. If your skin still feels sensitive, reactive, or easily overwhelmed, even though you're investing in quality skincare, the problem might not be your products. It might be how you're applying them. Because every time you aggressively rub your face, you may be triggering the very inflammatory responses you're trying to calm. Today, I'm going to show you why friction quietly sabotages your barrier, and the correct technique that transforms how your skin responds. And once you see this, you'll never apply skincare the same way again. Let's start with something most brands never talk about. Mechanical friction, the act of rubbing, dragging, massaging aggressively, activates inflammatory signaling in the skin. When you rub repeatedly, you stimulate pro-inflammatory signals, micro-tearing within the surface layer, chronic low-grade irritation. Now here's what's important. This irritation isn't dramatic. It's subtle. But over time, it compounds. Your skin becomes more reactive, more easily flushed, more mysteriously sensitive. And then you blame the product. But the issue isn't always the formulation. It's the friction. Have you ever applied a serum that felt fine at first, but your skin slowly became more sensitive over weeks? That could be cumulative mechanical stress. Luxury skincare should restore calm, not require aggressive manipulation to work. Barrier health is built through respect, not force. Your skin barrier is structured like a brick wall. The bricks are your skin cells. The mortar is the lipid bilayer, ceramides, cholesterol, fatty acids. When intact, this structure maintains hydration, regulates transepidermal water balance, supports ingredient integration. But friction disrupts that lipid organization. When you drag your fingers repeatedly across the surface, you destabilize that delicate lipid matrix. And here's what most people don't realize. When the lipid bilayer is disturbed, high-performance ingredients can't anchor properly. They sit on the surface. Or worse, they penetrate unevenly. This is why some people experience stinging from products that are technically well formulated. It's not always the ingredient. It's the compromised barrier receiving it. At REVEA we believe application is part of formulation. Barrier-first skincare is not just what's in the jar. It's how it's delivered to the skin. Now let me show you the shift. Instead of rubbing, we press and gently roll. The press and roll technique works because it minimizes surface shear stress, distributes product evenly, encourages directional flow without friction. Here's how. Dispense product into fingertips. Lightly warm between fingers, do not rub vigorously. Press flat palms gently onto skin. Roll outward in slow, controlled motions. No dragging. No rapid circular friction. No aggressive massage. You don't need to work it in harder for better absorption. Absorption is chemistry, not force. Luxury skincare respects the architecture of the skin. When application becomes rhythmic rather than forceful, the barrier remains intact, and ingredients perform as designed. Now we elevate this technique. Because direction matters, your lymphatic pathways move toward drainage points. From center of face outward, down toward jawline, down sides of neck. When you press and roll in these directions, you support natural fluid movement. This reduces morning puffiness, dull and stagnant tone, that tight but irritated feeling. The key is pressure. Think featherlight. If your skin is moving significantly under your fingers, it's too much. Barrier support is about refinement, not intensity. This is where spa methodology meets clinical insight. And this is why technique can transform the same routine. Let's make this practical. Here's how to adjust your entire routine today. Cleanser. Massage lightly, no scrubbing. Rinse with lukewarm water. Serum. Press and hold for 3 seconds per area. Roll outward. Cream. Use full palms. Seal gently, do not drag. Eye area. Ring finger only. Micropress, never swipe. Final checklist. No aggressive rubbing. No fast circular friction. Always press before roll. Move in directional flow. Keep pressure light. If your skin has been feeling persistently sensitive, this one shift can dramatically improve tolerance over time. Because performance skincare requires a stable barrier. And a stable barrier requires respect. At REVEA, everything we create begins with that philosophy. Calm first. Performance second. When the barrier is supported, results follow naturally. If this resonated with you, you'll love what we are preparing at REVEA. We are launching soon in Australia with a barrier-first philosophy designed for skin that values calm, resilience, and intelligent formulation. Follow along to join our community focused on skin health, not trends. Because when you treat your barrier with respect, everything changes. Subscribe for more barrier-first education designed for sensitive, high-performance skin. Our first system, REVEA Calm, is coming soon. Created to support hydration, strengthen skin comfort, and elevate daily ritual into restoration. Follow our launch journey and be first to experience calm, redefined.